Haven't snapped in a while. This is organic chicken wings I'm preparing. I coated with some truffle oil and just seasoned with some salt and pepper, and that's it. The secret to really crisp chicken wings is to put it on a rack. Put the chicken on the rack and you will have heated your oven to 400 degrees. High heat is best. So Daniel just called to ask if I wanted to go out, but I had already started cooking, so. Besides, if you're trying to control what you're eating, it's really best to eat at home. These organic chicken legs, I'm gonna fry because Daniel doesn't like baked chicken. Hi, Celia! My new fave! I very rarely fry chicken. Daniel is going to be really surprised. Oh, let them go just a bit longer. I want them to brown up some more before turning.
And is it your expectation that a presidentially appointed federal vice chairman for supervision
even in charge of money, they just left. So that's another test.
Would coordinate our efforts in this area.
Janet Yellen.
You would,
We are
he or she would
news
also represent
junkies.
the board.
So we got the baked chicken wings and the fried chicken legs.
The White House is trying to control the message.
We have an issue where classified information, of which this would be,